युलेरिको रॉड्रिगीस हांणी वास्को काँग्रेस गटाच्या अध्यक्षपदाचो दिलो राजिनामो. कांय दीस फाटीं पी. चिदंबरम हांच्यांनी वक्तव्य केल्ले पक्षाचो गट अध्यक्ष उमेदवार आसपाक शकना. त्या खातीर ह्या फाटभुंयेर आपणे राजिनामो दिला. म्हाका वास्कोत काँग्रेसीच्या तिकेटीर वेंचणूक लडोवपाची इत्सा आसा म्हूण रॉड्रिगीस उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Whether you have resigned and the reason for resignation.
Yes, it is true that I have resigned. I have submitted my resignation. My resignation has been accepted. Now, as you asked me, what is the reason for my resignation? If you recall, when P. Chidambaram had a meeting of the active workers of Vasco at Hotel the HQ, he had mentioned the block presidents will not be considered to be a candidate. So, in view of that, not to make that a hurdle, I have submitted my resignation and I am now available to be a candidate from Vasco constituency from the Congress party.
So you are definitely in the race for the Congress ticket in Vasco.
I am 100% in the race for the Congress party ticket just because I am the only person amongst the Congress members who qualifies for all the criteria that have been laid down. There is not a single person who meets all the criteria, and so therefore there should not be any dispute that I will be the only candidate from Vasco.
Have you expressed your wish to the High Command?
My requirements have been furnished to the High Command in writing and they are fully aware of it.
Recently we have seen a lot of infighting. There is another factor of people in Congress in Vasco who are claiming that the bloc members are not being taken into confidence. What do you want to say on that?
If you want to know the facts about it, it is basically the ignorance on the part of the people who have gone to the press by saying that they were not taken into confidence. If they can't read the messages which have been put up on the WhatsApp group, which clearly said that I have been appointed as a bloc president, and therefore whoever wants to continue in the new bloc, please get in touch with me. And not one person has got in touch with me, including the people who have gone to the press, including the people who are guided them to go to the press. So it is malicious on the part of the people to go to the press, blaming Girish and others for constituting the new bloc.
Who is the new bloc president now? Any decision has been taken?
As of now, there has been no new bloc president appointed.